Let's take a look at the Chapter 4 test for 3, Form C. Look at a few problems here. Let's take a look at the following values that I'm given. 11, 28, 7, 16, 34, 989. I'm just going to finish writing these out without speaking. Well, let's go back and order these before anything. So I'm just going to start marking the values that only have 3 place values, so the hundreds would be the largest. So I know that my smallest value is 507,980. Now let's go through, since I'm done with them, I'll just cross them on myself. I'm going to go to my next set, I'm going to make a new color. Now, my place values that have a 1,000 with the smallest hundreds place value. Well, 1,000, 1,100 here, or 1,500 here, so let's start with 1,000. Change my colors after this again. We'll do another set of values, which would be 1,200 followed by 1,300 followed by 1,350. Finally, the two of those values given 1647 and 1634. 1634 is smaller, so it's going to go first. Moving on from here, the first thing I'm asked to do is find the mean. Well, the mean is really simple. Find the mean, and the mean, all I'm going to do is add all the sums, and then I'm going to divide it by the total number of numbers that I've added. Let's pull a calculator out and actually add these values up and then finally figure out what they are. I'm going to leave half on the screen just so I can add all these values up. 7 plus 9 is 235. Made a mistake, so I go backtrack. Go back. Made another mistake, so I go back again. up, I get a sum of 10,866. I'm going to divide that by the grand total here. Let's divide that by total number of values here, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That gives me a value of 12,000 or 1,200. So 1,007.3 repeating. Median's a little bit simpler, it's finding the middle value. I'm going to count each one and go by and find the middle value. Pretty simple. 1275 is my middle value, but since I knew there were 9 values, I could go down, I could subtract 1 and just say, hey, 8 values divided by 2 is 4. So I could count 1, 2, 3, 4 and say, alright, now I'm at the 4th place. I took away 1, let's just add back that extra value. 1275 should be the middle value. So my median equals 1275. The node's the most common number. I'm looking for the most common number.
Got it sitting on the chair.
There is no most common number, so therefore there is no node. The range is the difference of the smallest, greatest number. So I'm going to take 16. 1647 and subtract 507. I could use the calculator, but I'm going to just go ahead for this one. I end up getting 1140. So there's a range of 1,140. Quartiles and box and whisker plots are going to be the most challenging, and we'll cover that in the next section.